A flat tyre in the wrong place. This is Stephen Farrell on the road to Sinjar in northern Iraq. Halfway through this American convoy's journey, a tyre burst on a deserted road in what used to be a killing zone for Sunni insurgents. Now safer, it is still a highway used by smugglers and criminals in an area rife with sectarian tensions. These soldiers, returning from their last day at a remote outpost, are in no mood to hang around. They seal off the road from both sides and into the Sinjar mountains. The Iraqis have to wait and wait. One team changes the tyre at breakneck speed. Another watches their back. Half an hour later, the Iraqis get their road back. The Americans continue their journey.